Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music no result found. So guys, if you want to use any music on Instagram post or on Instagram story and facing this type of issue that no results found. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, main reason of this problem is your spelling mistake. So guys, first of all you need to check that your spellings are correct. So guys, as you can see here, I have write it randomly spellings here. So guys, simply first of all, when I am going to remove any spellings, and guys, now you can see I have find many of songs on that keyword. So guys, first of all you need to check your spellings, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after correct your spellings, if still not fix your problem, then guys, maybe this song is not available on Instagram. So guys, how can you get that song on Instagram? Simply you need to update your Instagram app. So guys, after doing update, many of songs will be added on Instagram. So guys, simply you need to open your app store here in your iPhone, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after doing this you need to update your Instagram from here, as you can see. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open your Instagram here. And guys, after this you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, scroll it down, click on help. And guys, after this you need to click on report a problem. And guys, you need to click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you are facing related to music. And guys, after writing your problem, you need to add any screenshot in which you have facing this problem. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to click on send. And guys, after sending your problem, within few hours your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.